Hello and welcome back to part 5. So, part 5 of chapter 6, we're going to do a couple of drills, not very long, because all we're going to do is adding a new product, and then we're going to basically record a sales receipt again. So, I'll give you a little refresh from chapter 3 on the sales receipts. So, let's add a new product. Now, we pretty much will have a new product from time to time. Sometimes, even your beach markers has already made you add a new product. So it's kind of interesting that the drill is a little bit later on. But, we're going to go ahead and do this. Now, our memo states this. We want to add a new taxable inventory item named Garden Lights. Initial quantity on hand is going to be 25. Reorder point, 25. As of 12/31/2020. Sales and purchasing information is Garden Lights. Sales price rate is 75 and cost is 25. And it is indeed taxable. Again, products are typically taxable anyway. Services are not. So, under sales, let's go ahead and go to products and services. And we're going to basically click new. Okay. And since this is going to be a taxable inventory item, we're going to click inventory. And we're going to put in the information that we are given. Name for this is Garden Lights. Okay. And it said the initial quantity on hand is 25 as of December 31st of last year. Reorder point is 25. And it's always going to be inventory assets because it is an inventory account. Sales price rate is 75 and it is taxable. Sales tax category, all those that are appearing in after, those items are no longer there. So that's a little change. All you have to do is put taxable standard rate. We're not adding any of those categories or what you sell or purchasing information we can put in. So, and it costs us $25. Okay, so slight little change from your book. That sales tax category that's no longer there, and what you sell is no longer there. They just changed it and put it taxable standard rate. Just a little warning right there. But it is our income. We can select whatever income account we want. But that's really all we're going to put in. Now, if I want to put a category, we could. Product categories, if we had it. That is different than sales tax category. Okay. Okay. So that's basically it. So we're going to save and close. And now we're going to do the refresh of our drill. And then there's the garden light right there. And it shows that it needs to be reordered because it's at the reordered point. That's why it looks all in orange. Okay. So now remember, the reason why we create a sales receipt over an invoice is this is when we enter a cash sale. So we either received cash, debit card, credit card, or check right when we did our service. A invoice is when we completed a service and not yet received money. Okay. So we didn't receive money right then and there. Even if it's partial, if we haven't received the full money that we've received or we've earned, it will be invoiced. And then we show that we got paid a little bit. So we always invoice when there's going to be money owed. Okay, so what's our memo? Memo! And we're going to record a sale to Red Rock Diner for 15 garden lights in 3 hours of installation. $50 per hour. Paid with a Visa. And it does have sales tax of 8%. It is a taxable item, should have sales tax. So, new. Again, cannot be an invoice because we received the sale immediately. So this is a sales receipt. Okay. So customer is the Red Rock Diner. It's the Rock. Alright. So we need to tell ourselves that they did pay by Visa, which is good. Now on the mobile app, pretty much can do the same thing. We're not going through the mobile stuff, but it's a good source, especially when you're creating sales receipts right there out in the open. So we're going to go ahead and put in our products in. So our brand new garden light. Garden lights. And again, love the pop-ups that they now put in. It actually does show us that we are in low because it shows our quantity on hand and reorder point. And we're going to go ahead and sell 15. So we sold 15. Then we got add in our installation. Okay. And this is already in. We just need to make sure we put the correct number of hours, which was 3. And this person has a subtotal of 1,275. Notice again, taxable subtotal is only 1,125 because only one of these items is taxable. Again, we got to add in our sales tax, which it will automatically calculate for us. And their total is going to be 1,365, which again they paid by Visa right then and there. So we're going to go ahead and hit save and close. And there's our receipt. Okay. So again, very quick, very simple, going over how to add a new product and doing another sales receipt. A little refresh again from chapter 3. Okay, so that's it for that one. Let's see if we got another drill for us for this chapter, because I do know we're getting closer to the end. Oh, it looks like we do. Looks like we're going in the next part, preview of next part, we're going to add new sales terms. Okay, and record a sales discount. And receive payments. So we're going to bring back receive payments. Looks like that'll be it for the next part. So I will see y'all for that one.